kidding me, nigga? Shitting me, nigga? Are y'all dumb idiots? Me, nigga? Y'all already know what's up, man. Nigga. It's Harlem shit, man. I don't already gotta say much like that. You dumb volume coming out soon. Baby, yeah, you bored in the bleachers. I'm a boy.
So I'm coming to you with a hair review on some bundles I just received from Seraphic Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I think it is Seraphic Hair. So it came with this orange packaging. I know that they are a rather new hair company, and it focuses on natural hair. So if you have that 3C, 4C, those type of textures, then and you want to keep that look, let's say you want your 3C, 4C hair to be longer, this is the company that you need. You know, not every bundle has to be Brazilian. Why not embrace your natural hair pattern? And I think this is really smart idea, really great. And I'm very honored to have received this package to do a review on the hair. So right now I'm holding these cute baggies that the hair came in. I love when hair comes with its own little bag because I make wigs and I like to use these bags to store them. So this is perfect. And I'm going to start off by reading this little note that I have inside of here. So let's see what's inside. I'll get a little closer for you guys. Oh, it's like a tiny surprise. And guys, my birthday is literally in what? Today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days. On the 4th, in 4 days, I will be 24. So, happy birthday to me. Receiving hair, one of my favorite things in the world. Let me get into it. So, okay, look at all this melanin popping, curls popping, cocoa butter. I can smell the shea moisture from the picture. Like, take a close look. I love when companies send you something inside besides the hair. This is great right here. I'm going to read this. Seraphic Hair. Curl pattern 3A to 4C. Curly girl. Coils, curls, kinks. Changing society's standards of beauty because natural is beautiful. And then it has some information. You can follow them on Instagram at Seraphic Hair. They also have a website at seraphichair.com and also has their Gmail information, which is really cute. I also have another card in here. And, oh my God, it's personalized. So it says to Leia right here. That's me. Okay. On the back of the card, it says, are you guys ready for me to use that mass comm degree voice? For all my naturalists and aspiring naturalists, we bring to you a natural movement where we can share our journeys together. We are a community of sisters, embracing, enhancing, and promoting natural curl patterns. We're knocking out every stereotype about natural hair and redefining, natural as beautiful. Because natural beauty is beautiful. So we welcome our kinky, curly, and coily 3A to 4C sisters to Seraphic. We will grow, inform, learn, create, as well as recreate, share, and blossom together. This is beautiful. This makes me love this company even more. To send not only hair texture that is natural, that's been looked down upon for years, you also send this beautiful welcoming message. It's like a sisterhood, and it feels good to receive hair from a fellow Black woman. Usually my hair comes from people from China. I don't know anything about them. They don't know anything about me or my hair struggles. And this woman knows my hair struggle, and she's inviting me into her aura, into her company. And this is welcoming, and I really like this. And it also comes with all your hair information. So my hair is human hair. It's 26 inches, natural color. Texture is 3C. I don't think I have 3C hair, but I just, it's curly, so I'm gonna try it out. And this the texture that I chose, so hey. And it also comes with washing instructions, which is great for people who don't know what to do with the hair. So I'm gonna get into this too. I love this little card. Treat the hair as if it's your hair. This is very important. Don't rub or twist the hair. Don't fuck it up, ladies. Wash it in warm water with mild shampoo and hair mask. Shampoo strips hair. Always remember that. Conditioner is your friend, not shampoo. So there's no need to pour half the whole bottle, trying to walk around smelling mad good to pass by your, some couple of dudes, but your hair all smelling good. No. Your hair gonna be smelling good and looking bad. Don't do that. Don't brush it when it's wet. Okay, I can understand why you might not want to brush this curly hair while it's wet. We're gonna see what I'm gonna do because I have a denim brush which is for curly hair. I don't know if I'm gonna run it through it, but maybe I'm gonna listen to these instructions. Okay. Never wash hair with a washing machine. Yeah, don't do that. I think you would really ruin a washing machine if you put hair in it, in my opinion. It is best to let the hair dry naturally after washing it. So no need to put a blow dryer. It's curly hair. Think about your own hair. I know that when I wash my hair, I usually let it air dry if I'm not going to wear it straight. If I want to wear my hair straight, like right now, I blew my hair out and then I ran a flat iron through it. But usually I would never do that. I would just let my hair dry naturally on its own. And professional care recommended. Seraphic hair, shout outs to you for these instructions. This is great. Like, I love it. Now, let's get into the juicy deets. Let's get into this hair. The moment of truth. I'm like a bundle whore. Guys, like, you don't understand. Yes, and so remember, this is 26 inches curly. So it's not 26 inches straight. It's curly. So here we go. This is the packaging. Has some information here at the bottom. Have another one in here. Let's open the second one. What else do I have? Ooh, sorry. Yeah. Yep, they all say 3C. They all say natural hair. They all say natural color, 26 inches. So I have 3 bundles. What do we have here? Woo! There is a guy. Y'all, it's a frontal. It's a frontal, y'all. A 13x4 frontal. So there's 2 different frontals. There's a 13x4 and there's a 13x6. I usually work with 13x4. I am now starting to work with 13x6 because it gives you a little bit more parting space. But hey, work with what you got and I'm going to hook this up. All right, so I'm going to first start off with the frontal. Let's get into this. Again, washing instructions. All right. This is the frontal. All right, so let me look at it. First thing that I noticed that I like is the fact that there are no baby hairs. A lot of these companies will send you a frontal with all these little flyaways that are supposed to be baby hair, but who said that we want that? We don't. We want all our hair. Let me decide what I want to pull out and make a baby hair. I always do this. All right, so that you guys understand. This frontal is not pre-plucked. Therefore, you need to go in and pluck to make this look like a natural hairline. Right now, this looks like a Barbie doll hairline, which is fine, but not to wear outside. You have to customize your wig if you want it to look real. If you want to go for the Barbie doll look, then fine, leave it this way. But I'm going to customize it. It's fitting ear to ear pretty good, you know. Usually I have frontals and they be too big and I have to snip the sides, but I think this is actually a perfect fit. So yes, I'm feeling this, y'all. And it already has some parting in it. The knots are not bleached, so you need to go ahead and bleach these knots, tint these knots, whatever you need to do, boo, to make this look natural. Do it, because that's what we're all here for, right? We want that natural look. The bundle. Okay, so this is the bundle. This is pretty full. Yes, from root to tip. You know, this is this is really good. The hair smells like hair. It doesn't smell like burnt corn chips or feet like the hair I get from China. It just smells like hair. It feels beautiful. You guys, I don't wear curly hair that often unless I wear my natural hair, but I'm super excited. So what y'all want to see, a wig first? You want me to make a ponytail? Let me see. Put some waves in me. I'm about to make a pony. Let me stop playing around. Now let's compare textures. Does my frontal match my bundle? Dun dun dun. Yes. A lot of times with curly hair, you find that your frontal or your closure does not match your bundle. Usually the frontal or the closure has this looser texture. I've noticed when I've ordered curly hair. That's why I don't, like I said, I don't order curly hair often. But Seraphic hair, you did this, because this is identical. Like, this should look, they look more similar than Tia and Tamara. Like, this is what I'm talking about. So yes, I'm gonna open the rest of the bundle so you can see it all together, the fullness. Again, another instruction. Yes, for the hair. Wow, this is some nice hair. It's so soft, guys. Like, yo, like, I'm so happy. Like, I really thought my birthday was gonna be crappy, and this just made my birthday 10 times better. I'm a Sagittarius. We tend to go ham. Or, like, when our birthday comes up, we just become psychotic. More psychotic than we already are. We never really had things planned out, but we want it to be great and big. But the simple things really matter to us. Like this matters to me. This makes my 24th birthday 10 times better than it can ever be. Another instruction. This is the last bundle. Let me see. All these bundles are pretty thick. So, together. These are the bundles together. This is full. If I was making a pony with this, that's what? Nah, the frontal. So I have a frontal and 3 bundles. Here we are. This is us together. This is a lot of hair. And usually when you order long lengths, you need to go about 4 bundles. But because this hair is so thick, and because it's curly, and because of what I'm already seeing, what I can do with it, 3 bundles in the frontal is enough for me. You know, if you're a person that wants things more fuller, then I would say get another bundle, especially if you're doing a long length. But for me, this is perfectly fine. 3 bundles and a frontal. So overall, I'm really feeling this hair. Like, yes, thumbs up. This company is great. Girl magic, we poppin'. Y'all mad or not? You mad or not? Seraphic or not? Hell yes. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I have more videos coming to you soon. And if you're interested, you can always go to my IG at Yes I Have Big Boobs to see me and this beautiful hair. Thank you.